Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You. And friends, Deloitte NLA 2026, finally the registration issue is resolved, and here you could see I am able to proceed with the registration. Okay, so let me click over here. So verifying success, and then I can proceed with the registration form, right? Okay, many of you are facing this 403 forbidden. Please watch the video completely. Don't simply start registering, okay? Because I'm going to tell you each and everything. Before that, friends, it really takes a lot of effort in bringing all those things in front of you, small things, and keep you updating with all those things. So please do like the video and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any update. Okay, now, so here you can see the registration form is opened, and then I can proceed with the content, right? Okay, now friends, first of all I would like to thank Aman, who sent this link, which is working one, but you still have to wait till tomorrow, okay? And then only you start the registration. Okay, I will tell you the complete thing. Friends, this is a link which is not opening now also, 403. So if you will try to refresh, it is coming 403, correct? This is a link. I had made a video step by step registration, but because of some reason the video was deleted by YouTube. Okay, now, so if you will see, if I will proceed for some seconds, then see what happens. Okay, okay, now you see, I'll stop it here. Okay, and this is the first link. Okay, and once you click on, see here, this is the first link which is giving you error, right? Okay, now if you click on apply now, then this particular link will open. Okay, see, if you click on apply now, then this particular registration form will open, and now this link is working now. The registration link is working now, but their main, right, so Deloitte by this one, that is sending 403 unauthorized. So I will request you to wait till tomorrow and then we will apply. Okay, don't apply right now. See, this is a link which I have given you, ams.hirepro.in, V2 registration, Deloitte NLA, NLA 12, apply, event is equals to 6168350 and job is equals to 182,548, right? This is a link which was sent by one of the student, I said. Okay, and here also you can see ams.hirepro.in, V2 registration, Deloitte NLA. Okay, NLA 12, apply, event is equals to 168,350 and job is equals to 182,548. So now also you will be able to register, my dear friends, but my request to all of you, let us wait for some time. Okay, let us wait till tomorrow. Today is Sunday. They might be fixing it and by tomorrow it will be resolved. If it is not resolved, then I will again make a video and I will tell you, okay, you can go ahead and register, because this is an opportunity which you should not miss it. And definitely this is a working link. This is the registration link only, right? So if you use this also, you should be able to register, but please wait for another 24 hours. So now it is 12:41. Tomorrow at the same time around 1 p.m. I will make another video, right? And from here, see, you will be able to I agree, and you will be able to register and you will be able to successfully do that. Okay, see, some of the students were telling, sir, let us use VPN, right? So he was telling, sir, we can use VPN, so don't use these kind of hacks. Okay, so use VPN and then apply, because it's not like that. See, if their website has some issues, now everyone knows that there is an issue with their website and definitely they are working on it to resolve it. Okay, so don't use this kind of hacks or getting into some kind of inspect mode and then doing all those things. No, better than that, this registration link looks valid. Okay, I showed, see, luckily I had recorded one video and that is what I am showing to you. Okay, so here the complete things. Okay, it will take you to the registration and you will be able to register it, so that you don't have to worry. And please don't worry about it, we will update you with each and every information, but your support is really required here. Yeah, see, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, and go through the previous year questions here. Deloitte, NLA, the previous year question we have already uploaded for you. So start solving the previous year question, start preparing. Deloitte is a very good company. They will definitely conduct examination. They will definitely select you. So all this process will definitely happen. And don't forget to join the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group, right? It's only for you guys. See here, we have also covered the previous year question, right? So go through that and try to solve that previous year question, the patterns. Okay, so you keep preparing, you do your job, and definitely don't forget to get the Deloitte NLA crash course, which is definitely going to help you in securing one of the job if you take that crash course seriously. A lot of live classes is happening. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, whatever I said, please do that, please wait, and then we will go for the registration. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We are going to meet soon.